Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make these easy rhubarb cream cheese danishes. To get started, cut up 2 cups worth of rhubarb into small pieces and add to a pot along with a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Bring this to a boil and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the mixture is a thick jam consistency. Add to a bowl and place in the fridge to cool down before using. For the cream cheese filling, add 4 ounces of room temperature cream cheese to a bowl. Mix with a spatula until smooth, then add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. Set this aside for later. Now unfold a sheet of puff pastry onto a cutting board and cut into squares the same size. I got 9 squares out of both sheets. Now we shape the danishes. I'm doing 2 different kinds, but you can shape them however you like. For the pinwheel shape, cut the corners of a square 3/4 of the way towards the center. Fold every other point towards the center and press to seal. For the envelope shape, fold a square into a triangle, then make 2 cuts on the outside edge, leaving about a 1/4 inch from the edge of the triangle. Open the triangle and take one side of the frame and place it on the other side. Then do the same on the other side to create a diamond shape. Place the folded puff pastry squares on a baking sheet before filling. Now add the cream cheese filling to a piping bag and do the same for the rhubarb jam. Brush milk or an egg wash onto the puff pastry. Then pipe a generous dollop of cream cheese filling in the center of each danish. And pipe the rhubarb jam on top of the cream cheese. I like to do the cream cheese layer for all the danishes first, then finish with the rhubarb so I don't have to go back and forth between the 2 fillings. Place the baking sheets in the fridge while the oven preheats to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the danishes for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown and puffed. Add a light dusting of icing sugar, and that's it! These came out really delicious. You can't go wrong with cream cheese, puff pastry, and a good jam. I have to say the brand of puff pastry I bought wasn't the best. They didn't puff up as much as I'd like. Maybe next time I'll try making my own puff pastry. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!